Is it the right time to make a move on NIO stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into the world of NIO. Our initial report was released on our website on Thursday, November 16, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest analysis. Staying up to date is crucial as it can greatly impact your investment decisions. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 16, 2023, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.17. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. We'll closely monitor this evaluation to observe its unfolding in the coming days. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, and there are indications that it will continue to fall. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -33.89% over the next 3 months. This means there could be a return between -38.53% and -29.63%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of -11.68% over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -22.74% and 77.57%. So, the stock price could range from $5.72 to $13.14 after a year. In our latest update on NIO, we have an important headline to share. NIO stock price experiences a significant decline of 6.8% during Thursday's trading session, resulting in a very red day for investors. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, the NIO stock price dropped from $7.94 to $7.40, marking a decrease of 6.8%. Throughout the trading day, the stock's value fluctuated between a low of $7.14 and a high of $7.59, showing a 6.32% difference. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 5.01%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 14 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This situation may serve as an early warning sign, as the risk could slightly increase in the coming days. In total, approximately $504.36 million worth of NIO shares, totaling 68 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price for NIO was $16.18, while the lowest was $7. Currently, the stock price stands at a 54.26% difference, or $8.78, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 88.95% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. Today, we're going to talk about the latest analyst ratings for NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer. Let's start with UBS. On Monday, June 12, 2023, UBS gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. Citigroup also had something to say about NIO. On the same day, they gave NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Now let's move on to JP Morgan. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, they gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Telsey Advisory also had a rating for NIO. On Thursday, March 2, 2023, they gave NIO a neutral grade with a downgrade action. Lastly, let's talk about Citigroup again. On Thursday, December 29, 2022, they gave NIO a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given NIO stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals identified for NIO. On Monday, November 13, 2023, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 2.49%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, we should also consider some negative signals that have been issued, which might have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a more negative forecast for NIO, signaling a sell. Moreover, the long-term average is currently above the short-term average, reinforcing the sell signal. If the stock corrects upwards, it may encounter resistance at $7.54 and $8.03. Crossing above these levels would trigger buy signals. Notably, volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning signal. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a buy signal. Next, we have the pivot signal, which also shows a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Looking at the Bollinger signal, we see a buy signal that was generated 19 days ago. The short-term moving average signal also indicates a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average signal does not provide a specific sell signal timeframe. The relation between the short and long moving averages currently holds a sell signal. If we take a closer look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average signal shows a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signal indicates a sell signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal that occurred 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals and insights. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop-loss for NIO. NIO has found support from accumulated volume at $7.30. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. In terms of daily movements, NIO has average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock moved $0.451 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 6.32% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.78%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for NIO, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is currently losing money or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Today, we'll be analyzing potential day trading levels for NIO. If NIO continues its upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $7.58. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you already own NIO, this resistance level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $7.30. If the stock manages to hold this support level, it could serve as a potential entry point, indicating a possible rebound in the future. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop-loss has been set. Is NIO stock a good buy? Currently, NIO stock is showing several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and falling trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, November 17th, we expect NIO to open down $0.0229 and commence trading at $7.38. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We want to hear your thoughts on this stock. Share your opinion in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful one too. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.